So you're driving along, you're doing what you gotta do, going to work, picking the kids up, and then this message pops up on your dashboard: check low beam. And you're like, oh my god, it's a Mercedes, we're gonna have to pay thousands of dollars just to change the bulb out. What do I do? Here's what you do. First thing you do is you get yourself a pair of replacement bulbs, and I'm going to show you how to change this out. No tools required. Let's go ahead and turn the car off, pop the hood, and see what's down there. So once you open your hood, this is what you're going to see. So that's the low beam right there on your left. That's what we need to change. Let me see if I can get a good angle here for you guys. So what we're looking to take off is this panel right here, this little cover. A little tight, but this cover right here, and it twists right off. If I can get it. And I've been taking this thing out in a while, but yeah, you heard it click, and then it comes right out. Put that on the side, and that assembly right there is what holds in the actual light bulb. So you're gonna go ahead and turn that counterclockwise to get it out. It's not gonna take much. It comes right out. And that's what it looks like. So this piece right here, you've got to pry this off. Get you guys better angle. This is what it looks like. You take this off, and then you put the new one on. So let's go ahead and take that off now. I'm going to show you how I do it. Follow along. So I got myself a little Leatherman here. You can get a knife or any kind of flathead, and you put it right here in between the bulb, and you just start to pry it until it starts to come up slowly. And I think that should do it. Doesn't take much at all. Sucker's in there pretty good. I'm trying to be gentle. Let's pry it a little bit more. Okay, that side seems to be coming. All right, there we go. So what it looks like with it off. On the new bulb, try not to touch the top at all. Keep your hands on the sides. We're gonna get the new one. This little notch piece is gonna line up right next to this edge over here and go right in. So let's get the new one open, set it up. So here's our new bulb, fresh out the case. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect it. Remember, this piece over here sits right at the edge over here. And then you push it down with your hands. No need to get tools for this part. And it's gotta be flush, just like the other one was that we just took out. Yep, I heard it snap in right there. Cool. Now, really carefully, You're gonna take it and push it back right in that hole, and then turn clockwise. One click. Yep, there he goes. I don't know if you heard that big click, but that's it. It's in there. And last but not least, you take your cover, throw it back right in there. Yep. You heard it click into place there too, so that's pretty much it. You guys are done. Do the same thing on the other side, and you're set. As always, if you did enjoy, do me a solid, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this with a friend that's having issues with their headlights. Catch you guys in the next one. So this is the end result right here, as you can see. Lights on that right side or left side, depending on how you want to choose sides, and lights on here.